everybody! Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipe for the best kind of Play-Doh on earth. It's such a great recipe, especially because you don't have to use the stove or anything like that, so it's not very dangerous. It cleans up really well, and it feels amazing. So the only two ingredients you really need are cornstarch and hair conditioner. Of course, if you want to add a few colors to it, you can, but you really only need these two ingredients. Alright, so first step, you need a measuring cup, 1 cup. You will need to take 2 cups of cornstarch. Whoa, that stuff really comes up quickly. Oh boy. Get her going here. There we go. You don't have to be very accurate. You can just kind of guess a little bit. And if some spills out, that's okay. Dump that in. Now, for the real recipe, it calls for 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of hair conditioner. However, I don't think I actually have a full cup in here. And so I'm going to use science to figure out the best mixture instead. So instead of dumping in those 2 cups of cornstarch right away, I am going to experiment and see how much more I will need to add after putting my conditioner in, okay? So let's work together and find out how much I have inside here. This is 1 cup measurement. Let's get the conditioner to go down to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to squirt it in here. See how much I have. Oh boy. Not very much. So, my question for you is, if I don't have a full cup of conditioner, maybe if I have only a half a cup, how many cups of cornstarch would I need to add then? 2 still? Or would I need to split that in half and only add 1? Maybe that's what I'll have to do. Oh, there's some more. Sometimes you just have to knock it a little bit more. It's looking like I only have about a half cup of conditioner, which is just fine. So I think I'll just make a smaller batch. And so I will not add my 2nd cup of cornstarch because then it will be too much otherwise if I do that. All right. I think that's good enough for right now, but maybe we'll try to get some more out of there later. Now, a good mixture takes a little time to make, but we just have to use our hands to get in there. So at first it's going to be pretty messy, but it will be worth it, believe me. All right, I'm scooping all of that stuff out, especially since I had less than I expected. I want to make sure I get every little blob that's in there. Now I'm going to start mixing. Here we go. At first it's going to stick to your hands a lot, so you just have to use your patience and keep going until it starts to come together. See what I'm talking about here? It's like a cloud. Keep squeezing and mashing. It takes a little time. Why don't we count? Let's count to 20 while I mix. Are you ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, check this out. It's looking a little crumbly, actually. So I'm hoping, you know what that means? I think I added even a little too much cornstarch in the end. But it is coming together in some chunks, see? So what I'm going to try to do, we just have to use our brains to improvise a little bit and make do with what we have, right? So I'm going to knock my... Let's see if that'll help get some more out. Sorry if I scared you. A few extra blobs came out. This is not very accurate. I'm so sorry. Usually I would have this measured out, but since I don't have a grocery store to run to at the moment, this is what I'll have to do. Still might need a little bit more conditioner, but check this out. Now that's looking like Play-Doh, isn't it? And it feels really good, and it smells really good too. I'm not going to eat it, but I kind of want to eat it a little bit. All right. The best part about this is that it kind of cleans your hands as you play with it. And then after you're done, your hands feel really nice and smooth. All right. So that's pretty good. Maybe I'll try to, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to add the colors at the end or in the beginning. So we'll see. I already kind of, made it. So we'll see if it works or not. Which color should I start with first? I've got purple, teal, and orange. I think I'm going to go with teal. Put a couple drops of that on there. Boom, boom. Let's go with 3. 3 drops. I'm going to try my best to mix this in and see what it looks like at the end. Ooh, I'm getting it all over my hands. If you add food coloring, I would think maybe add it before you start. In fact, don't do it at the end, okay? Maybe put it into the hair conditioner first, and then you can make sure your hands don't get full of blue, okay? This is why we practice first, right? That's okay. Sometimes it's kind of fun to have blue hands. All right, I'm mixing it in. I think it would be a lot better if you stirred it into some conditioner first, then poured the conditioner into the cornstarch. But still, we are getting a really cool color, aren't we? So that's really all it takes. All you need to do is mix a little bit of conditioner into some cornstarch, and then you've got some really awesome, soft, aromatic, delightful Play-Doh. Hope you're having a really good day. I miss you guys. See you soon.